This is a demo of post 3 of my Spring Boot guestbook example. I'm going to boot up the application, which should create a new database. And we can see there that the message entity table was created. We can quickly inspect the database now and see that that table has also been created. It should be empty, which it is. I'm going to make use of my Scratch file. So the first request hits the REST API and we can see that we get back the empty response as expected. So I'm going to post in some content now and we should be able to see that in the database, which we can. And I'm going to send in a few more requests as well. So I'll send this in a few times. So I sent that in 3 times. We refresh, we can see that we've now got 4 records in the database. I'm going to stop the application at this point. Ignore that little prompt, that was from my firewall. So at this point in the previous application, all data was stored in memory in a list, and as soon as you stop the application, that list would have been deleted. Now of course it's saved in the database, so if we start the application again, the data should persist because it's saved inside that Docker container. I'm not set up any persistent storage on that Docker service, so if I was to delete the container I would also lose the database, but for the purposes of this demo that's fine. I also have the message MVC controller from the previous video. So we'll hit the show endpoint now inside our running web application and we should be able to see all of those 4 messages, and we should be able to add some stuff in too. And that concludes this demo.